All right. All right. So we multiply 2 times 5, that's 10, plus 4, 14 over 5. All right, so we just work it up, find the LCM. Once you're adding and subtracting, bring them to a common denominator. 4 into that, 5. So multiply 23 by 5. So 5 G is 15, 5 carry 1, 5 2 is 10, and 1 11. All right, we do the same thing, 5 into 20, that's 4. And then 4 times 14, 4 4, 16, carry 1, 4 1's 4, and that's 56. Somebody with a calculator can work out this one.
59 over 20.
59, yeah. Guys, when you get this, you can just leave it as it is, right? And then now this line means divide. So we divide by 2/3. But we know the rule say when we dividing by a fraction, you can't really divide, right? It's the same as if we're multiplying. However, we have to invert the fraction. So we're going to flip this, so 3 over 2. So let's see how you guys get the 40 now. And then 3 9s, 27. 2 carry 7. 3 5, 15, and that's 17. We can break this down, do you know? 177. How many 40 we can get out of 177?
4.
All right. So that will give us 160. So that's 4. Leave 17 over 40. All right, that's correct. Your first 3 marks is gonna come from fraction, guys. All right. So for the persons who just joining, it's being recorded, so you will get this part because it's a very long paper. All right, try this one now, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Some persons are just coming, are telling me that them want to join. I've been saying this for months, you know, guys. Months upon months. And some persons pay and I don't see them. I don't understand. Oh, see Ashley. Right, remember we're doing it in a timely manner, guys. Alright. So what's the rule? Let's follow the rules. Alright. What's the answer, guys? Guys, you have to push yourself, right?
Sir, 9 and 5 over 8.
Yes, sir. Got the same thing.
Yes, sir. Same thing.
Alright. So we know that we have to deal with the top. Guys, people that show the marks at your time, you know. But we don't want that, right? So 1 times 4, that's 4 plus 1. 5 over 4. Good job, guys. That everybody get the same thing. And then we say 2, 5, 10 plus 3, 13. Once we add in or subtracting, we must bring them to a common denominator, right? Sometimes the lowest one are the best one, but it can be any multiple, right? So 4 and 5, that will be 20. 4 into 25, so 5, 5, 25. 5 into 24, 4 times 13, that should be 52. And then we just add these. But this is the same thing as 25 over 20 plus 52 over 20, right? So can we just add the top when the base is the same? So that's 7. Oh, 77 again. But I'm playing a cash pot, you know. And then now we divide by 2 or 2 feet. But we know that we have to invert, right? Invert, as I'm a 7th graders would say, keep the first fraction. So you keep that one the real, change it to multiplication, and then flip or invert the fraction. Same 40 again. 6 second going with. All right, and then we multiply 5 times 77. 5 sevens are what? 35. 5 sevens 35 plus 3, 38 over 40. We know it's not reach 400, right? So 400 that may be 10. So it's 9. 4 nines are what? 36. No, something like this one.
Sir, you're
Sir, the
Sir,
5
whatever.
can go into 20.
I'm just like I say.
Sir, the 5
Oh, you
can
guys
go into
reduced it.
20.
All right.
yes, sir. Let's hit it.
4, not 8.
A 4.
Yeah. Sorry, guys. Sorry. And then, no, I think about the 4 twos 8. Sorry, man. And then it will be 77 over 8. Right? And 9, 8, 72. So that leaves 5 over 8. Very good. Forgive your teacher, guys. All right, next up, this one. Suppose the last fraction is. Or I think one more leave. I didn't get to put the ear, guys, because me alone. Everyone should be finished by now. Guys, if you're not, if you can't complete them in time, it means that you should be practicing more. All right. How did you guys get?
So I'm gonna get 600
What?
6,440 over 20.
Oh, that's a bit crazy. All right. You guys have a calculator, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I got 39 and 3 over 10.
39 and 3 over 10. All right. Can we do it now, guys? Are people still working?
Sorry, 1 more minute.
All right. Guys, we have to remember, you know, how CSEC work. No matter if you can do the maths. Only thing that matters if you can do it in 2 hours and 30 minutes. Nothing else. Too often students can be strong at matrices, vectors and those stuff, and they don't get to even do it. So you have to work on your speed. Sabine can't really help you with that, you know, or your teacher. You have to develop the habit to work a little bit faster, and that can come through practicing. Each time you time yourself, push yourself. You have to push yourself. Just like an athlete, every day you know run 1 second. Well, 10 seconds, right? He push himself to try run 9 seconds, and he push himself to run 9.5 or 9.4 or something. But it have to come through practice. The only way you can learn maths is when you start actually do it for yourself. Or you teach somebody, trust me. If you only watch alone, like what solution, you learn 10%. So if, for example, you go up on a YouTube video and you just watch off the entire video, chances are you only learn 10% of what is being taught. When you do it for yourself now, that's when it really matters. Gabriel, I know you asked me to answer yourself. Text me, not voice me. All right, so we just multiply the top and then we do the bottom, right? So it's 5, 4, 20. So that's 23 over 4. Everyone should be able to be comfortable with this now, right? And then we say 2, 5, 10. 10 plus that will give us 14 over 5. All right, we can reduce this time, guys, right? 2 can go into 14 and 4. So 2 into 4, 2. 2 into 14, 7. All right? And then now we multiply 7 times 23. 7 3 is 21. 7 2 is 14 and 1 50. Guys, I don't have a calculator, you know. You guys are way smarter than me and quicker, right?
Sir, sir, isn't it 7 3 is 21, so you're bringing over 2 instead of 1,
2.
sir? Mm-hmm.
Yeah. 7 2 is 14 and that's 16.
6.
Now, test if we're not looking at. All right? And then now, we divide by 1/3. And we know the rule say, keep the first fraction, so we're dividing, change it to multiplication. I'm supposed to show you guys that with the book page. If you have a book page and you fold it, right? It's as if we are multiplying or divide. 3 1s 3, 3 6s 18, 8 carry 1, 3 1s 3, and that 4. So somebody said they get
So I'm gonna do it wrong.
okay. So this will go up 48 times
Yes, sir.
and 3 over 10. Guys, me no want to go exam, go do a 3 mark. I first 3 marks, you know. And every paper, fraction will be your first 3 marks, all right?
Yes, sir. And also,
Come on, go ahead.
That? Sir, what is that? Equal one what? 181?
Oh, yeah, 161. So 7 2 is 14, 4 carry the 1, 7 2 is 14, plus the 2, 16. Because maybe I put 5. Let's see if we now look. I joke. It was a genuine
Sir.
error.
And sometimes too, like when we go in the exam and we see them big number, they we might say it wrong because big 48 they already, so would you know, you just have to make sure you say it right.
Yeah,
Because
some years you get 2/3 for your answer. Some year 1.5. I don't know the pattern. All right. So this will be the last fraction for today, guys. And this one is a setup. Do this one, guys. This one is a setup.
Sir, there is nothing below the bar. That's all of the question.
And I'm timing you guys.
Sir.
Timing you guys, all right?
Mr. Bennett.
Yeah?
Is there something below the bar or it's just right there?
No, it was just me. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Oh, it is not big. Just more. All right, guys. Should be finished now.
125 over 44.
Yes, sir. I got that too.
All right. What did you guys do first? Did you guys multiply first?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have to do that, guys. The bonus rule apply to this, right?
But sir, I added first and I got the answer.
You get the same answer?
Because those are both yeah, those both associative operations.
That's
Sir, I got 2.25.
2.25. What was the other answer first?
125 over 44.
So, all right, yeah, so as them boy, that's it. All right, so we have to do the multiplication first, according to the bonus rule, right? And this here C6 set up students. So 2, 5, 10, and that 11 over 5. Times 5 over 11. So this is gonna work out to 1, so? Because if I cancel this, 11 to 11, 1. So how did you guys get 2?
Sir, because I added first.
Oh yeah. It no matter. I 2.25. But let's work it out. Alright? So it's 1.25. Maybe I think I multiply the here, so but it's plus 1. So guys, And a dash rate on the parents mark, all right? Remember the bonus rule apply for everything, even when you go to university, right? That will apply same. So it's actually 2 1/4. All right. After you do your fraction, this is what we will be doing. And believe it or not, you're gonna get 1 mark just to punch this in your calculator. So punch it in, guys, and
Sir, I never finish right off that.
I wonder if my laptop low arm. The here you guys know. Or probably the fun I make noise or so.
Sure, Brian.
Alright, guys, that should take you no more than 20 seconds to do that. You just press 0.35 times 0.643. Whatever the calculator give you, that's your answer, right? So what's the answer?
0.228908.
I'm turning my phone. Hold on, guys. Let me turn them. Almost 7. All right, go ahead now. 0 point.
22.
8908.
Yeah, it's going to no one talk to me. 0.2289.
08.
08.
Oh. I think I mean make up the one here doing it. All right, but this is how C6 set it up. When you get 1 mark for just do that. All right, what's the answer in standard form?
Sir, is it 2 point? So 2.28908 times 10 to the negative 1.
All right. Why to the negative 1 and not just to the positive 1?
Sir, because it's a decimal, so it's negative wholes.
Right, very good. Because when I multiply this, guys, you're supposed to get back the original, right? And if we multiply by 10 to the negative 1, we move 1 place to our left. 0 tells us how many places we must move. All right. So these are just the 3 marks that C give you to kind of warm you up and so forth. All right. Let me just write back the number, the original number, because we don't want to cover up this. I want to go through that part here. All right. What's the answer for 1 decimal place? This original number. When they give you guys, use the original number, right? What's
0.2.
0.2.
0.2.
So we check it. 1 decimal point mean 1 number must come after the decimal point. So we check the number to it's immediate, right? If it's 5 and greater, we add 1 to this. If it's less than 5, we drop it off, right? So 2 less than 5, so we just dash it here. What's 2 decimal place?
0.23.
Very good, Imani, right? Guys, Imani is a PEP student, but she's here, right? So we go to the second number, the third number rather. If it's 5 and greater, we add 1. So that's 3. Very good. 3 decimal places.
0.239.
39.
Or
Sure.
0.29.
It means 3 numbers must come, right? So we go to the 4th number after the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, and we check this. If it's 9 and over, 5 and over, we add 1. So it will be 0.2. 1 plus 8, that's 9. All right, and this should be easy for 4 decimal places.
0.2 3289.
So we go to the fifth one, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right off another 2. So 0 are the lowest. So it is like that way. Alright, hope that be clear for everyone. You will be getting one of that. Last year, CSEC gave this and person said they couldn't be. 3,250 written in standard form. Anyone?
3.25 times 10 to the 3.
Alright. Guys, remember the decimal point is right here. Guys, you can ask question if you want, you know. So we have 1, 2, 3. Because standard form state that it must be between 0 and 10. And between mean, you know the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So it has to be a single digit. So we carry it to right here. So it couldn't be 32 or it can be 325, right? Have to be 3 points in that case here. And then now we count the number of places that we move, which is 3. But because if we multiply 3.25 times, basically this is 1,000, we get 3,250. Because when I multiply this, we're supposed to get back the original, which is 3,250. Alright. So for standard form, this will be our answer. 3.25 times 10 to the third. And it's very likely I'll get one other time. Alright, round it off to the nearest 100, which is the original number, you know.
3,300.
Very good, Iman, right? So basically 250, so that's closer to 300 than 200. I say 100. So that will be 3,300. Everybody agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So the nearest 1,000.
3,000.
3,000, right? So you see, 250, it have to reach 3,500 for it to be considered greater. So that will be 3,000. And there you have it. They gave one like this, where they give the whole number, and students say they struggle with it. I don't understand why. All right, let's move on to 3, substitution. We have 1 minute. Guys, I've actually gave one of my friends something about the Zoom, something, but I'll know it not come true. So hopefully if we do this again, it'll go be straight. But for now, we have to go join back for the 40 minutes. Let me take it. We're going to join back for the 40 minutes. So sorry about that. I want it to be straight. And guys, if a calculator giving problem, just use your phone or something, all right? Or tablet. Good for today. All right, it says given A is equal to -1, B equal -3, C equal 0, find the values. Well, I know I'm put value, you know. Value for the A minus B times C.
Sir, is it -1?
One says -1. Everyone agree with that?
Yes, sir.
All right, we have less than a minute. Now we could try. So we just substitute, right? So this is -1 minus 3 times C, which is 0. So we know, so we have to multiply first, right? Anything times 0 or 0. So that would work out. Well, 0 is neither positive or negative.